This is Chris Carrere with Galati Yacht Sales. I want to welcome you aboard the 2011 Viking 70, the Provider. This 2011 70 Viking, the Provider, is truly unique. It has two MTU M93 2400 horsepower MTUs with about 2,200 hours on it, a newer SK26 Seakeeper 4-stateroom interior layout, and all new electronics. The Provider has new teak covering boards that were installed in 2019. The live well has a window and light in it. This blue water fighting chair was redone in 2019. Teak deck, great shape, covering the Seakeeper SK26. Within the teak cockpit, you have an insulated box as well as an in-deck live well. Moving forward, in the mezzanine, you have freezers, two freezers, storage under the mezzanine, newly recushioned mezzanine cushions, cool breeze air conditioning over the mezzanine, new Garmin screen, as well as a Fusion stereo control. Moving to port, refrigerated drink box. On the port side of the mezzanine is where the Eskimo ice machine dumps. Working our way into the salon of the Provider Viking 70, the most truly unique part of the salon is this custom sofa that faces aft of the galley. Centerline, it's a great spot to sit back while the boat's running, everybody's fishing, you can see everything. Aft and starboard in the salon, full L-shaped sofa, storage underneath, plenty of tackle storage. Salon coffee table, storage underneath it. To starboard, you have additional storage. After the dinette, in the dinette, nice teak high gloss table. This channel glass was added in 2019, it's a new piece. Aft side of the galley, you have an island that features 4 Sub-Zero refrigerator drawers and 2 Sub-Zero freezer drawers. Plenty of workspace, and also a nice walk-through on the port side. Forward part of the galley, trash compactor, recessed 4-burner electric stove, recessed stainless steel sink, and plenty of storage for all your utensils. Here in the master of the Viking 70, you have luxurious full-size queen beds. You have 2 full-size hanging lockers either side of the stateroom. Forward, you have Samsung TV with dedicated DirecTV, plenty of drawer storage. The bed is storage underneath it, as well as 2 bedside tables with storage, reading lights, and obviously in-suite master head. All the way forward in the 70 Viking, you have to the port side, upper lower bunk, great size stateroom, has its own dedicated hanging locker, and then they have their own access to the port side head, as well as access to this head through the companionway. This side, you've got a linen storage, as well as just after this closet, a full-size washer and dryer. All the way forward is the forward VIP Stateroom. This is unique in this boat, very popular. The VIP arrangement, which is the crossover arrangement. To port, you have a full-size bed, and to starboard, you have an additional bed. Storage outboard, and in this stateroom, they have their own in-suite head as well. We're at the helm of the Viking 70, the Provider, showing all new electronics, 2 new Garmins, as well as 1 new Furuno. The helm pod was recently painted, faux teak. You have 3 blue water chairs recently recovered, as well as refinished. The helm has air conditioning, as well as radio boxes, pop-up radio boxes, full electronics, all new autopilot. The Flybridge layout of the 2011 70 Viking, the Provider, is a bit unique. It's really special in that you have the standard Viking island helm, as well as this added piece that creates and L seating right here, as well as additional storage aft. You still keep the forward freezer, which is a huge freezer box, as well as air conditioning. The tower on the Viking 70 Provider has a full suite of Garmin electronics, MTU controls, tachometers, and was recently repainted matte black on the buggy top. Thanks for joining us today on the 2011 70 Viking, the Provider. For more information, please contact me or Galati Yacht Sales.